Hello, everybody. After a nice trek, just reached a little more dense into this forest. And my God, every time, I don't know from where I'm getting this level of energy, so much of fresh oxygen. I feel today largely what people are missing is the smell of breeze, the smell of pure air. I don't know when was the last time in your life many people in the concrete jungles have even smelled pure air. And many of you, I know for sure, who are caught up in this rat race will miss out on this purity of air, breathing. We need to breathe well. Forget about health. First, breathe well. When you breathe well, health is a natural consequence. Stress will never be a part of your life. Vibrancy will be restored, and you will feel deeply rejuvenated within yourself. You will naturally be disconnected from all those toxic relationships which are going to drain you, and you will only energize and connect with love. You will not be interested in that fake possibilities of having a relationship by impressing people, by giving them and gifting them something. In my life, I have some wonderful relationships and we don't gift each other anything. I experience and channel love with a lot of purity, and that's just love, expression of love, exchange of love. This is how beautiful the relationship should be. Relationship should not be on the basis of commercial engagement, and all this is a natural progression of thoughts. And when will we get these kinds of thoughts? We will get life enhancing thoughts when we are breathing freely. Ladies and gentlemen, breath, the way we breathe, pure oxygen, it really has a great enhancing capacity to give us that wonderful thought process, to think great. Now you will ask me, all these wonderful thought leaders in the world, that scientific developments, have they spent their time in the forest that we are enjoying these scientific developments? Listen, what is the use of these scientific developments which is not giving you joy and well-being? It was necessary to a point where human beings had this constant threat with nature. But what has happened? They've eliminated the nature totally away from their lives. But there was a time, there was a experience, there was an experience which lot of yogis, lot of munis in the previous few thousand years before, they used to live in absolute harmony with nature. No animals used to ever attack them. They were absolutely in sync, and I'm experiencing something very, very profound like that. No creature attacks me. I've been to forest like for several years now, and it just restores me. It just gives me that vibe, it gives me that energy, it gives me the feeling of freshness all the time. This is something which I feel is required, and more so importantly, needed very, very largely to experience a very profound state. So I'll continue to go inside more deep, and for another couple of hours, I will be spending time here, and it just gives me that really natural restoration towards life. For all the other times, if one is not able to make it to the forest, what one must do is at least have the conscious thought process to create a meditative experience within. And as I told you, the meditative experience never ever happens until and unless you get your internal dialogues at place. You remove all the resentments from your life. You are awakening the force of gratitude, and there is an embrace of grace. There is a certain process, 28-day process, and this is exactly what the course does to you. You can see about the course in this link in the description box below, and make yourself a part of this vibrant reality of life. And may you be healthy, may you be vibrant, may you energize yourself by having the deep meditative experience, just not reading about it, just not telling this yogi is a great man, that yogi is a great, I attended this course, that course, after that again you are completely caught up in your own mad race. This need not happen to you anymore. Take the right steps. Have a great day. Stay blessed. Stay energized. This is Karthik Puvanam. And I continue to breathe more wonderfully. Have a wonderful day.